Now I'm in front of the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse, and we've been waiting for over 7 hours to witness the historic event of former U.S. President Donald Trump facing arraignment on Tuesday after being indicted last week by a Manhattan grand jury. Trump is the first former U.S. president in history to face criminal charges. The official indictment has been unsealed. Trump has been charged with 34 felonies. According to NPR, Trump's motorcade arrived at the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse just before 1:30 p.m. local time. Surrounded by security and Secret Service personnel, he got out of a black SUV and waved briefly at the reporters standing outside. Then he walked into the building and surrendered to authorities. He was processed in the Manhattan District Attorney's office and then headed to his 2:30 arraignment hearing before the presiding judge in the case, Juan Merchan. He has pleaded not guilty. Trump left the courthouse at 3:25 p.m. to head back to Florida and make a speech at Mar-a-Lago in the evening. At a park across the street, thousands of protesters held banners chanting slogans either in support or against Trump. To ensure safety, the New York Police Department has barricaded nearby streets, and many uniformed officers are on site. Lots of media are also here to witness this unprecedented event. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg held a press conference after the arraignment.
The indictment announced by Bragg accused Trump of falsifying New York business records in order to conceal damaging information and unlawful activity from American voters before and after the 2016 election. The New York State Supreme Court indictment cited 3 instances of hush money payments to cover up Trump's alleged affairs. In addition to the hush money payment case, Trump is facing several other criminal investigations at the state and federal levels, including his efforts to overturn his 2020 election loss, his handling of classified documents, and his role in the Capitol riot on January 6, 2021.